I have already discussed the mechanism of crossing over on the basis of breakage and reunion theory. By using that concept, you solve the following problem. Here I have drawn the diagram of tetrad stage, that is, these two are maternal chromosome whereas these two are paternal chromosome. Capital A and capital B is present on maternal chromosome number 1, whereas a small a and a small b is present on maternal chromosome number 2. Likewise, in the case of paternal chromosome, capital A and capital B located on the chromatid number 3rd, and whereas the small a and a small b located on the chromatid number 4th. So this is the problem, and you have to solve the first problem is that crossover occurs between non-sister chromatids 2 and 3. Then tell me what will be the sequence of gametes. I am going to solve this problem. Rest of the problem you will have to solve. First see how we can solve this problem. Here crossing over occurs between chromatid number 2 and 3. It means breakage is occurs in chromatid number 2 and 3. 1 and 4 is not involved. 1 and 4 is not involved, and might in crossing over at a time only two non-sister chromatids are involved. So in this case this R will exchange with this one and this R will exchange with this one. It means the arrangement of the sequence of gametes will be capital A, capital B, another one is a small a, capital B, a small a, capital B, third one is, this one is a small a, capital B, third one is capital A, small b, and last one is a small b. So in this problem the sequence of gametes will be capital A, capital B, a small a, capital B, capital A, small b, and a small b. And this is the solution of the first problem. Likewise, you will have to solve the other problem, that is in the second problem. In the crossing over you will have to involve chromatid number 2 and 4, whereas in the problem number 3 you have to involve the chromatid number 1 and 3, and in the question number 4 you will have to involve the chromatid number 1 and 4, and in this tetrad stage only these 4 cases can be framed, because crossing over always occurs between non-sister chromatids.